Hey everyone. Now today I will show you guys something incredible. I bet you guys seen this. If not, then I'm going to show it to y'all. It's a Fidget Cube. Sorry, I had to reach. So this, hold up. So this right here is a Fidget Cube. You could literally do this. Press these buttons if you want. You got these things. I don't really know what they call, but this tool is meant for you to fidget it. That's what it meant for. It literally meant for you to fidget it. So we're going to see if the fidget spinner or the fidget cube is the best one. Now I kind of like this one because look at it. You could spin it more, and you could also, and it could also probably help you think. That what other people say from one of my favorite YouTubers channels that is Infinitless. He said that this fidget spinner help people think. I think that could happen. I mean, I just think, not to lie to y'all, but I really think this fidget spinner is so that you could have something to do for hours and hours and hours and won't be bored. And this twice the size. That's why I like it. You could fidget this. Whoops. You could fidget this. You could also fidget the ball. You got the button that you can mess with. I kind of like the fidget cube because that's pretty cool. I mean, I'm not going to lie, it's pretty neat. Comment down below what do you think is what you think is best for you, the fidget spinner or the fidget cube? I just realized. Not to be rude or anything, but just in person, just personal, I really like this fidget cube. Don't know why I said person though. I meant just my personal favorite toy so far is this. It looks pretty cool. You could do a lot of stuff, and you got a lot of stuff that you could actually spin around with and stuff. And I think they have now the fidget stick where you could put on something hard and try to make it fidget or something. Yeah, it's pretty puzzling for me, but I just like this and the fidget spinner. Just comment down below. I just like the fidget spinner. I mean the fidget cube itself because it looks cool. But comment down below what do you think, and what do you think is the best, the fidget spinner or the fidget cube? And like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we will continue with the video. So this fidget spinner right here, I think it looks really cool. I also have like 3 fidget spinners. I don't know what happened to the other one. Well, anyway, I hope you believe me. I tried to prove it to you, but I couldn't find the third one. The third one is green. It's light green, so it's pretty cool. And it have like a nice color to it, yeah. So, I mean, these fidget toys are getting pretty addicting. Before I used to like play Minecraft and playing with Legos and stuff. Now I can play with fidget cubes and fidget spinners and fidget well, I don't have one, but I can fidget with a fidget cube and a fidget spinner. That's all I have. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, I think that will wrap it all. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then hit that like button and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you guys in the next video.